Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another topic related to Qshell and CL program. Okay, in our last session, we discussed a process through which we create a new directory in system. But this time, we are going to discuss a process through which we can delete or remove the existing directory, because this is also very important, right? Because let's say if you are working for a particular project and there we are supposed to delete the existing directory from the system. So in that case, you should be aware of these steps which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, but let's say if you are referring the session directly without going to the sequence session, so let me tell you short few things about the QSH. So to run the QSH command, you can simply write here QSH, then hit enter. Now on this command entry screen, we are supposed to write the command. So let's take ls command, which will list down all the directories and file of the system. Okay. So these are the directories which is present here, right? So let's create one. Let's create one directory mkdir where at home slash Sharmit slash and tsdir. Okay, then simply hit enter. So what it will do, it has created the directory in your location. So to see the list, so when you hit ls and hit enter again, you will see that yes, this directory has been created with a name tsdir. Now what we will do, we will delete this directory but through cl program. Okay, so for that, let's see how we can delete it. But before that, let me tell you one more way to verify whether this directory is present in your system or not. So for that, you can write work lnk, then hit enter, and if you scroll it down, you will find the existing lab directory with the name tsdir. Okay, so this one we are going to delete with the help of cl program. If you are not aware and if you have not covered the previous session, then let me tell you in a short way that directory is nothing but a folder in which you can hold another directory or the files. Okay, so fine. Yep, now we are good to start with the program. So in program, I'll take option 2 to edit, and here you can see first of all we are creating this program for deleting the directory, and we are going to make it dynamic. Why dynamic? Because let's say if you have deleted one directory which is hard coded in your program, then next time when you call it, it will give error because the directory is not there, right? So better to create a program which accepts the input parameter as a directory name, and as per the directory name, your program will delete the directory from your system. Okay, so for that, what we are supposed to do, just write pgm, press f4. After taking f4, it will ask you for the input parameter, so I'm providing it as dir name, which is a variable which we are going to use in order to uh, accept the input parameter. Okay, then we are supposed to declare it, because to hold the data we are supposed to declare this variable. So just simply write tcl, press f4, and put the variable name here. So in my case, variable name is dir name, type is character, storage is auto, and length is 10. One more thing, like if you don't know about these basics like how to declare variable and all, then you can refer the cl playlist, because in that playlist every session is in the proper sequence, and we have like designed those session in a uh, like from basic to advanced level, so it will help you to grab the concept easily. So if you are directly watching this session, then I recommend you to go and check out the previous sessions first. Okay, because for now we are just mainly focusing on the way to delete the existing directory from the system. So let's hit enter here. Then we have another variable with the name command. So to declare that, just simply write tcl, press f4. Here just put the command, type as character, storage as auto, and length as 256. Then simply hit enter. Once you hit enter, it both the variable is declared. Now it's time to prepare the command. Okay, and this command variable we are using in order to build the command. Okay, and then that command we will execute in a Qshell. So to store the output here in command variable, just simply write chg press F4, and here you can store the command like this, single quote, parenthesis is not important, but yeah, you can keep it if you want. Then simply write single quote rmdir, which is remove directory, space /home /sharmit / and then you can concatenate it with the variable which we are receiving from the program. So just write dir name. Okay, and the concat symbol is double pipe symbol. Okay, then simply hit enter, and you can see this is the actual data which we have stored in this variable. So here the command name is rmdir, which will remove it, and then we are providing the location from where we are supposed to delete it, which is /home /sharmit with a double pipe symbol dir name. Got it? Fine. So now the command is ready. It's time to execute it. So to execute this, we are supposed to write strqsh start Qshell, press F4, and here you can put your command which we have stored in our system in our program in a variable command. So simply write ampersand command, then hit enter. After hitting enter, we are supposed to print the message that yes, directory has been deleted. So for that we are using the command sndpgm msg. So just write sndpgm msg, take a 4, and here we are providing the message like directory deleted, and then simply hit enter and do the end pgm, which is for ending the program. Post that, we are just supposed to compile this program. So let's quickly compile it and call it. So the moment when you call it directly, it will give error. Why? Because we are supposed to pass the parameter here, but at the moment of calling this program we have not provided any parameter. So better to go and take C, then press F4 and just provide the parameter name, and it should be the name of directory which you want to delete, okay. So for that, what we will do, we will simply go and copy the name. So let me go to the session A. Let me log in it again. Then simply go and put here work lnk. I think the name is tsdir. So let's try directly tsdir. Then simply hit enter. So you can see one message has been populated here, directory deleted. That means, okay, I think there's some spelling mistake, but no problem. That's not an issue. We are just learning about the way. So you can change these you can work on these cosmetic changes, okay? So it means that the directory has been deleted. Okay, let's verify it. So to verify it, what you can do, you can write simply qsh, which is for starting your Qshell, then hit enter, and here we are supposed to write ls. So you can see that tsdir is not present here. Okay, same thing you can verify with the help of work lnk. So write work lnk, hit enter, to page down. You can see there is no directory with a name tsdir. Got it? So this is the best way through which you can simply delete the existing directory from your system with the help of Qshell command, okay, by creating a CL program. Okay, so let's say if someone asks you how we can write directly the query here, so let me show you that also. Just write qsh, then you can okay, let's see if there is anything which we can delete, or we can create a new one because we know how to create it, right? mkdir space /home /sharmit slash abc. Okay, then hit enter. It is created. Let's verify. Yes, it is. abc is created. Now we will delete it. So to directly delete it, just write rmdir, remove directory, then your path slash home slash Sharmit slash and then your file name, which is abc, and then hit enter. Just do ls again, and you can see abc is deleted. abc.txt is there, which is a file, but the directory is deleted, which was there previously, right? So this is the same command we this is the same command we used in program, and the only difference is that right now we are just hard coding the name, and in program we are just accepting one parameter, and then that parameter we are appending with a path. So that makes it more usable and dynamic. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.